to share with you all my opinions on the topic, the importance of emotional health to lead a happy life. Now, before we actually move forward with our discussion on this topic, I would first want you all to understand what really this term emotional health means. Actually, emotional health means being in tune with your emotions. That is, when you are easily able to balance both your positive as well as your negative feelings, that's when you are said to be emotionally healthy. Now, coming to the importance or the significance of emotional health. As per my experiences, I admit this that emotional health is indeed the key to a successful as well as to a happy life. But why? Why is it the key to our success and happiness? It is quite obvious that when a person can control his or her behavior, thoughts, and feelings, then this leads to an ample of positive outcomes in that person's professional, academic, as well as his or her personal life. There may be many positive outcomes of being emotionally healthy, such as when a person is emotionally healthy, he or she can easily overcome all the stresses that they encounter in their personal lives. Also, an emotionally healthy person has a peaceful and stable mind, which refines the personality of that person. I am a student and I realize how important it is for me to remain emotionally healthy in each and every walk of my life. Because then I can actually channelize the powers of my peaceful and stable mind in a productive manner, and I can prove to be a great asset for my nation. So, I would just conclude my discussion by saying that being emotionally healthy is as important as being physically healthy, and we should never compromise between the two. Thank you.